Welcome to the November 2025 release. This update is all about improving app flexibility, refining data handling, and supporting more dynamic and personalized user experiences across workflows, forms, and integrations. Let's jump right into the highlights. Your end users can now attach any file directly in the Swift agent. Just click the paperclip upload, and the agent reads and processes it instantly. Next, meet the brand new analytics dashboard. One click and you see total workflows, execution timelines, your top 10 busiest workflows, success rates, and average response times. Spot bottlenecks and keep everything running smooth. Want instant visual signals? Now you can set conditional background colors on cards. No extra columns needed. Your users will spot urgent items in a split second. Creating onboarding tours just got magical. Open the Swift agent and say, build an app tour for PO approval. Answer 2 quick questions and boom, a complete, professional tour is ready. Then enable it on any app in just 2 clicks. Integration versioning is finally here. Every change creates a new version with full history and timestamps. Mess something up, roll back to any previous version with 1 click. Last but not least, a cleaner experience. All designer settings are now neatly tucked into the left sidebar, and you can now pick your favorite loading spinner to match your brand perfectly. That's a wrap on Swift's November 2025 updates. Thank you for being part of the Swift community, and happy designing.